Okay, let's take this 91 1LE Camaro out for a little ride. Show you guys what it's all about. Wait for a couple cars to pass. Clutch feels great. Track's nice and straight. Goes through all the gears pretty good. Very good, as designed. Power down in the third coming into this turn. Gear, no problem. Going through all the gears, no slippage of the clutch. Brakes work fabulous. Now, speaking of the brakes, with the 1LE package, you got a great brake package. You got the Caprice's rotors with the Corvette's pistons, the calipers. I mean, with two piston calipers. Got a little horsepower bump to 240. With the 5-liter V8, the LB9. Again, that's the only motor you can get with the transmission, manual transmission. Also with the 1LE package, it was devoid of air conditioning, power windows, and fog lights. So it was intended to be a factory race car. You know, you could take this out and go SCCA racing with it. That was the intent of the package. It was never actually really on a marketed package. You had to know which specific options to select to enact the 1LE racing package or performance package, what GM called it. It's a pretty unique vehicle. Again, only about 478 were made in 1991, around 1,350 or so. Produced between 88 and 92. So a pretty rare package. Everything works great. Crank the tunes, show you guys the radio works.
Being added to natural gas to make it more sustainable.
Great reception.
Solar panels generating.
I love this generation 3rd gen Camaro. Great wide car, has that low, sleek look to it, and it's pretty cool when you look out the back window. You see that big spoiler. Lets you know you're driving something cool. $2,290 miles on it, which are original to the car. Ah, these brakes are fantastic. Such a fun car, especially with that manual transmission. I've had these, you know, with automatics, and you know, I always prefer a manual. I've also had these with leather interior. I prefer the cloth interior. The leather in this era GM products was not the best. Tend to wear out pretty darn quick. just a little more comfortable in my opinion. And before we put it back in the garage, I think we'll do a little walk around in the sun so you guys can see how beautiful this paint is. That dark red metallic just looks so well in the sun. Gorgeous. So if you have any questions, you can reach out via the contact seller button. This will be live on Bring a Trailer shortly. If you need a shipping quote, you can use the contact seller button. Shoot me over your zip code. I'll get you a shipping quote very quickly. I ship cars all over the country for clients. But you know, I've been selling vehicles on Bring a Trailer since 2015. Coming up on our 200th listing, so we got quite the process down for settlement and for shipping. So if you have any questions, like I said, please reach out via the contact seller button. Good luck, everybody.